If you're here, you're probably wondering how to cancel your Housecall Pro plan, and you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, but stick around because I'll also give you a quick overview of Housecall Pro and why it's a powerful tool for service-based businesses. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel your plan and why Housecall Pro might still be the right choice for you. First, let's talk about Housecall Pro. It's a software solution designed to help businesses in industries like plumbing, HVAC, and cleaning manage their operations, customer relationships, and payments. It's packed with features like scheduling, invoicing, and payment processing, all designed to streamline your business's workflow. But sometimes, you might decide that it's no longer the right fit for your business. If you're looking to cancel your Housecall Pro plan, here's what you need to do. To cancel your Housecall Pro plan, log into your account on the Housecall Pro website. Once you're in, head to the Settings section by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. From there, click on Account Settings. You'll find the Billing tab, and that's where you'll manage your subscription details. Click on Cancel Plan and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. It's really that simple, but here's something important to note. Make sure you've backed up any data you need before canceling. You don't want to lose important customer information or past invoices. Housecall Pro doesn't delete this information immediately, but it's always best to have a copy for your records. Now, there's one more thing to keep in mind before you pull the trigger on canceling. If you're unsure about whether you want to cancel or just need a break, you might want to consider downgrading your plan instead. Housecall Pro offers different tiers of service, and if you're just looking to scale down, you can change your subscription to a less expensive option that still gives you access to some of the great features. This could be the perfect compromise if you're not ready to fully cancel but want to reduce costs. If you do decide to cancel, be aware that Housecall Pro offers a 30-day cancellation window. So once you've canceled, you'll still have access to your account and its features for another 30 days before the cancellation takes effect. You'll be able to continue using the software until that period is over, but after that, you'll lose access to your account. For those of you still on the fence, Housecall Pro is a powerful tool that's definitely worth trying. And if you've already decided to cancel your plan, I've got a special offer for you. You can access Housecall Pro for free by signing up through the link in the description below. We've got exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to give it a try, even if it's just for a short period. This could be a great way to test out the software and see if it's something you want to continue using down the road. One more thing before I let you go. If you're thinking about trying Housecall Pro again in the future, keep in mind that their customer support team is always available to help with any questions or concerns. They're known for being responsive and offering solutions that cater to your specific business needs. So there you have it, how to cancel your Housecall Pro plan and a quick overview of the software. If you've already cancelled, I hope this guide was helpful. But before you go, remember that you can still try Housecall Pro for free with our exclusive offer. Just click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video.